All right, so today we're going to continue to take notes on one step inequalities. So I need you to do these with me. All right, and take notes on these. Just for a quick review, remember that these signs here are for open circles, and these signs here with the line under them are for closed circles. All right, so open circle, closed circle. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to solve and graph. Okay. All right. So our first example, we have x minus 5 greater than 3. So remember we talked yesterday about solving these like a one step. So I'm trying to get x by itself. So I'm going to do plus 5 plus 5. Remember what I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. This cancels. I bring down the x, bring down my sign. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. So now if I wanted to graph that, okay, I'm just going to start at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ask yourself, is that an open or closed circle? It is an open circle. And I put the open circle on 8, and it's going to the right. So I draw my line to the right. Okay. All right, let's look at another one. Good, number 2. So I have x minus 12 greater than or equal to 8. Okay. Plus 12. Plus 12. That cancels because remember we're trying to get x by itself. So the x comes down. My sign comes down. Wow, that says 18. So this would be 30. Okay. So now ask yourself. So I'm going to draw my line over here. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to say 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay. Is that open or closed? This is a closed. So I put a closed circle on 30. And it's shading to the right. So I draw my line to the right. Okay. Let's do another one. Number 3. I have x plus 2 less than or equal to 9. Okay. So remember, I'm trying to get x by itself. So I'm going to do the opposite of plus 2, which is minus 2. And what I do on one side, I have to do on the other. That cancels. Bring my x down. Bring my sign down. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. So I'm going to my number line. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now ask yourself, is it open or closed? This is a closed circle. I'll put my closed circle on number 7. And it's pointing to the left. So I draw my line to the left. Okay. Do another one. 4. Have x minus 3 less than 3. So again, remember, I'm trying to get my x by itself. So I solve this by doing the opposite. So I'm going to add 3 on both sides. That cancels. We get x less than 3 plus 3 is 6. Draw my line. Number it. Put 6 here. 5, 4, 3, 7, 8. Okay. This is a open circle. So I put open circle on 6. And I draw my line to the left. Okay. Let's do one more. So I have x plus 10 greater than or equal to 3. So again, try and get that by itself. So I'm going to do the opposite here. Subtract 10 on both sides. X greater than or equal to. And 3 minus 10 is negative 7. Okay. So I draw my line. And when I put these on here, I'll have negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4. Okay. It's going to be a closed circle. So closed circle. Sorry, I tried to change my colors there. Closed circle on negative 7, going to the right. All right. We'll do one more, and then that'll wrap up our notes for today. So I have number 6. X plus 13 less than or equal to 9. So again, trying to get this by itself. So I do the opposites here. Cancels. X is less than or equal to negative 4 because 9 minus 13 is negative 4. Okay, I draw my line. All right. And so I have negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Okay. So this is, again, a closed circle. And I have a closed circle on negative 4. Okay. Going to the left. All right. So we'll continue to practice these, and then later this week, we'll look at the multiplication and division part of it with the new rule. Okay. So make sure you've taken these notes and you have these 6 examples. Thank you.